There is something ancient and electric about the stars, about the hum of an Arwing cutting through the dark between worlds, about the crackle of a radio, a wingmate's voice cutting through static saying, "I'll go it alone from here." The Lylat System has always felt like more than just a game. It feels like a place. And places, like real ones, the kind that live in your chest long after the screen goes dark, they have room for more than just the canon characters we were given. They have room for you. So let's talk about what's actually happening here, guys, because Star Fox is finally back. Star Fox is about to land on the Nintendo Switch 2, and it's super cinematic at every moment. There's high quality animation, super cool action, and super cinematic music, reigniting something in this fandom that hasn't been seen for years, and far too long in my opinion, and that means this is the perfect moment to create an original character. So, let's look at what Nintendo has just handed us. Super awesome brand new cutscenes that are fleshing out the lore and the characters, new mission briefings between stages that are definitely expanding the universe and the characters in the ways we've never seen before. Fox and his friends have so much more interaction now. There's new dialogue, new moments, new texture to everything. They are definitely building the world out. They're definitely saying there's more here. More pilots, more mercenaries, more creatures living and flying and scraping through the Lylat System on a Tuesday. Your OC could be one of them. A rookie pilot who joined Star Fox the week after Venom. A weapons engineer on Cornelia with a complicated relationship with the military. A bounty hunter who flies something held together entirely by hope and illegal modifications. The galaxy is enormous, it's infinite, and it's amazing to think about. It was always enormous, it's just that now the lights are back on and we can finally see it again, along with a brand new generation of fans. Creating an original character is not a small thing. Even when it feels that way, it feels like a stupid hobby sometimes, something you do in a notebook and never show anyone. But what you're actually doing is practicing the ancient art of myth-making. You are taking a world that moved you and saying, I want to live here too. I want to add something to this world. Every piece of fan art, every character sheet, every 3,000 word fic posted at midnight, that is definitely love made visible. And it's a fandom staying alive. That's you deciding that a story worth caring about is worth contributing to. And Star Fox has always been about a ragtag team of unlikely people who chose each other. Fox chose Falco, Pippi stayed, Slippy, bless our dear Slippy, keeps showing up. Your OC gets to choose too, and that choice is yours to make. Now, to the person quietly thinking, that sounds like fun, but I can't draw a straight line, and commissioning an artist costs money I just don't have right now. First of all, totally valid. Fully, completely valid. I get you because I'm right there with you. But here's the thing. Here's the secret that experienced OC creators have always known. Your character exists before the art does. Their drawing is just one way of introducing them to the world. It's not the only way. It's not even the first way. Write a bio, just a paragraph. Their species, their call sign, what they eat for breakfast on a good day. Describe them in a forum post. Write a scene, even a tiny one, where they argue with Falco about the best landing approach on Fuchina. Give them a playlist. Give them a voice. Words are free. Imagination is free. A Google Doc and a drink cost nothing, and have launched more beloved OCs than any art program ever has. And when the time comes, that art will have somewhere real to land because you'll already know who this character is. The fandom will meet them however you choose to introduce them. A well-written description will make people see your character just as clearly as any reference sheet, sometimes more. Your OC doesn't need to be drawn to be real. As for me, well, I'm making one. I'm sitting here right now with the character concept brewing in this crazy mind of mine, and I'm so excited and so really super nervous about it in a way that only creative things make you feel. Like standing at the edge of a very beautiful cliff. I won't spoil everything yet, but I will say they fly something definitely weird. They definitely have opinions about Falco, and their call sign is something I've been quietly proud of for a few days. I wanted to share that because I think sometimes we wait for permission. We wait until we're good enough at art, or until we know the lore inside and out, or until someone else goes first. So, definitely consider this me going first. The Lylat System is waking up again. The Star Fox franchise is finally woken up again. The Arwings are in the hangar. The stars are doing the thing that they do, that impossible and different beautiful thing, where they just keep burning. So, make your pilot. Give them a name. Give them a scar or a dream or a bad habit they're trying to fix. Put them in a cockpit and let them fly. Do a barrel hole. We'll be out there with you.